So, my friend XENON made this thing. Not me, but I just want to show it off. It's this. So this is of course ideally, but then I just need to run this. We just do pick, so 6 cube, no spinning, no music, and then we get this. It's like a really basic blender, except you can't actually do anything in it. I want to show you some cool stuff. Number 1, we can change this from full screen, false to true, so that this will be full screen. I can't actually show you that because it opens on my second monitor and OBS is on that monitor, so it's going to be broken nonetheless. But we can change this back and then change the actual size of it, so we can do like 600 by 2000. My monitor is not that big. This is gonna be weird. Okay, so now if we run this, no. It's weird. Where? Oh my. This is funny. Whoa. That's a nice model. Okay, bye.